Well, we're still tracking Lane and Ernesto in the Atlantic and also the Eastern Pacific here. We'll talk about what's happening and maybe what impacts may be felt in Hawaii. Also, the wildfires continuing in the western half of the country. Along with that comes some very poor air quality and severe flooding concerns also showing up. Here's a look at Ernesto, a tropical storm in the north central Atlantic that should not be impacting the United States as it drifts off to the northeast here rather quickly. And then Lane is drifting to the west. The Hawaiian Islands are out there, and we'll kind of have to watch this as it intensifies. Could become a hurricane as early as Friday morning, and then maybe even a major hurricane by Sunday morning as it again kind of slides south of the Hawaiian Islands. But we'll have to watch the cone of uncertainty. This is resembling that of Hector, which was in place last week. Wildfires continue in the western U.S. Here's the Howe Ridge fire in Montana, and another one, the Cougar Creek fire in Washington also. Another very large wildfire, but Lake Washington in Washington state seeing some very low visibility, and all of these smoke plumes creating poor air quality. The more intense the color is, that's where the air quality is going to be at its worst. But as you can see, it stretches into parts of Washington, Oregon, Idaho, and even western Montana. Fire weather watches and also red flag warnings continue due to very hot, dry, and breezy conditions. So it is very dangerous levels of heat and low humidity in these spots. Monsoon moisture will continue off to the south and west. Phoenix, Arizona, 98 today, 104 tomorrow. That thunderstorm potential, and again, pockets of heavy rain where those thunderstorms develop. We do have a slight risk of severe weather today in the Central Plains. Marginal threat stretching east of the Ohio and Tennessee Valley. And along with that comes some heavy rain potential. Little Rock could see maybe an inch, close to 2 inches as you get near Memphis and Nashville, and then even close to 1.5 or 2 inches out near Cincinnati. And some of that heavy rain spreading up into the northeast with some severe weather potential as we roll into our Friday.